What's up guys, now users need not to worry as the Korean giant is going to ship the Galaxy S10 devices with a pre-applied screen protector. In a recent official confirmation by Samsung's community, the company said that they will ship new flagships with a screen protector for free. Samsung has opted for the pre-installed screen protector to increase overall customer experience with the improved screen durability. The company also wants users to use the new device at its full potential without any functional constraint. Samsung won't be covering the screen protectors under any warranty, although all other in-box accessories such as USB connector, travel adapter and AKG handset will remain under 1-year warranty. Samsung is opposing the use of traditional glass and polyurethane protectors as they won't allow the ultrasonic screen fingerprint sensor to work properly. The Korean giant has even notified their partner carriers, the retail stores, to carry Samsung's branded screen protectors for replacement purchase option. It will ship with a compatible third-party protector for free. Users can also opt for Samsung's replacement screen protector separately for $29.99. Up until now, pre-ordering either the Galaxy S10 or the S10 Plus would net you a free pair of Galaxy Buds. However, it looks like Samsung's ran out of its free wireless earbuds for pre-order. Instead of Galaxy Buds, Samsung's now offering a $130 e-certificate that you can use towards select products on Samsung's website and the Shop Samsung app. Samsung didn't say what those products are, but we assume you can spend the $130 on accessories for your Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. You could probably also pick up the Galaxy Buds when they go on sale on March 8. It's not exactly unprecedented. The fine print of the promotion stated that the free Galaxy Buds were available while supplies last. That means Samsung's likely allotted a certain number of its wireless earbuds for the Galaxy S10 pre-orders and that supplies ran out. Either way, the news doesn't affect those who are eyeing the Galaxy S10e. Pre-orders for that phone did not include a free set of Galaxy Buds, so new pre-orders won't include $130 e-certificate. So yeah guys, this is good or bad? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash that subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.